Okay, good morning, everyone. So I've got some laundry here. Just came out of the dryer, and I am going to fold it. Um, this is a sweatshirt. I'm going to just kind of shake it out like this, lay it flat on my bed, and then I'm going to take the arm and the sleeve and just fold it over a little bit, and then this arm is going to come back and lay on the back of the sweatshirt. Then I'm going to take this side and fold it in about 4 inches, and this arm goes back. And then I'm going to take the bottom of the sweatshirt and fold it up like this, so it's folded nice and neat. This shirt I'm going to hang in my closet, so I'm just going to put it over here. We've got some t-shirts. First thing you want to do is give it a good shake and then lay it on a flat surface. And just like the sweatshirt, you're going to take one side of the t-shirt and fold it over almost all the way to the collar, about 4 or 5 inches, and then the sleeve gets folded back a little bit. Then you go to the other side, fold this side in about 4 inches towards the collar, and then fold the sleeve back. Then you take the bottom and you fold it in half, and then in half one more time. You have a very nicely folded t-shirt. And do that one more time. Give it a good shake. Lay it on a flat surface. You're going to take the side of the shirt, fold it over about 4 inches. It's about that far. And you're going to fold the sleeve back. Do the same thing on the other side. And don't hurry as you do this. Take your time. And you take the bottom and you fold it all the way up to the top. And then you fold it in half one more time. Okay, got another t-shirt. Apparently we have lots of t-shirts. Go Orioles. Fold it in half. Okay, fold this side in. Bring up the bottom. Fold it in half one more time. Got another t-shirt. Here comes another one. Helps to give it a good shake, get some of the wrinkles out of it. And make sure it's laying nice and flat on your surface. Fold this side in. Fold the opposite side in. Bottom goes up, fold it in half, and you fold it in half one more time. Another t-shirt. Grab a hold of the shoulders, give it a shake, lay it on your flat surface. Fold this side in a few inches. Fold this side in a few inches. The bottom gets folded up in half. And for smaller t-shirts, if you want to fold it in half one more time, you can. Or you can just fold it in half once. Depends on how it fits in your drawer, in your dresser drawer. A few more t-shirts. Give it a good shake. Lay it out nice and flat on your surface. Fold this side in about 4 inches. Fold this side in. Bottom goes up, so you fold it in half. And we'll fold it in half one more time. Another one. Oh, more Osseo orange. Fold this side in 4 inches. And then your sleeve gets tucked over. Bring the bottom up to the top, fold it in half, fold it in half one more time. There's another t-shirt. And then the rest of these items are actually items that are going to go on a hanger. So I'm just going to shake them and lay them flat on my bed and then carry them, hang them up in the closet before they get, if you leave them in the laundry basket too long, they'll get wrinkled again. So get them out of there as quick as you can and lay them flat and then hang them up. Okay, that's how to fold t-shirts. Thanks guys, I hope you're doing well.